Studies suggest manipulative people often let the other person speak first, just to keep asking questions from them afterwards in order to assess that person's weaknesses. According to psychology, manipulative individual may insist on interacting you in their place where he or she can exercise more dominance and control. This can be the manipulator's office, home, car, etc., where he feels the ownership and familiarity which you lack there. Psychology says blaming the victim for causing their own victimization has been seen in many manipulators. Raising the voice during discussion is a form of aggressive manipulation. The purpose is that if they project their voice loudly enough or display negative emotions, you'll unconsciously submit to their coercion and give them what they want. The silent treatment is a head game where silence is used as a form of manipulation by deliberately not responding to your calls, text messages, emails, or other inquiries. The manipulator presumes power by making you impatient and placing uncertainty in your mind. Often we're tempted to say yes to anything when we're in good mood, or jump on opportunities that look good at that time. Even though we haven't really thought through it, manipulators know how to take advantage of those moods. Manipulators know it's harder to say no if they do something for you, so they may attempt to flatter, butter you up, or say yes to small favors before asking you for big ones. Don't be afraid to ask people to repeat their point or to ask questions for your clarity. You can also repeat their point in your words or ask them examples regarding that topic, allowing you to regain control of any conversation. According to psychology, one other sign of manipulation is that when you're presented with numerous choices but feel like it's already been decided. You can tell it's manipulation when they're charming and friendly as long as you are doing what they want. Emotional blackmail is a powerful form of manipulation. It leaves you in fog where there is haze of fear, obligation, and guilt. True love is based on autonomy and decision-making, not manipulation and control. If you don't give education to people, it's easy to manipulate them. If loving someone doesn't make you a better person, then clearly it's not love. Some people lie, try to manipulate the other in the name of love, but it's completely opposite of what loving someone really means. If you're allowing people to make more withdrawals than deposits in your life, you will be out of balance one day. Know when to close the account. Gaslighting is a form of psychological manipulation and emotional abuse. The gaslighter avoids responsibility for their own toxic behavior by lying and denying, making you question facts, your memories, and your feelings. This gaslighting can make you feel crazy and confused. Be aware. Guilt trip, a special kind of manipulation tactic where manipulator convinces the victim that the victim does not care enough, is too selfish, and has it easy. This usually results in victim feeling bad, keeping them in self-doubt, anxious, and submissive position. Controllers, abusers, and manipulative people don't question themselves even for once. They don't ask themselves if the problem is them. They always say the problem is someone else. Psychology says manipulation can also be seen in people who feel the need to control others the moment they lost control over themselves. Manipulative sarcasm is often used by manipulators to put down others while increasing self-doubt in the victim. This tactic used to make victim feel unworthy, hence manipulator can make one feel ashamed even for daring to challenge them. Poisonous manipulation can alter our perception, since you can spend years thinking that you're worthless, but you're not worthless, you're underappreciated. Psychology says if someone gets angry at you for setting a boundary for your own self, consider that as a good sign because that boundary was necessary. Love bombing is something men and women must be aware of. It's like giving so much love to an individual to the point that they lose the strength to think correctly until the manipulation started. Triangulation is another way to manipulate an individual by involving any third party into the conversation just to create a confusion by the manipulator for not acknowledging their own wrongdoing. Crowd manipulation is as dangerous as it seems, since its goal to target and focus on a whole crowd to turn them towards a toxic target that the crowd shouldn't be focusing on. Media manipulation, especially in country USA and Nazi Germany, is increasing rapidly because their people have the pretense that they are getting all the information they want, resulting the misconception prevent people to even looking for the truth. According to psychology, narcissists mostly attack the things you value the most. All the lies and manipulation that helped a manipulator get what he or she wanted have destroyed someone's ability to trust anybody else. Manipulation can happen in close or casual relationships, but they are more common in closely formed relationships. Psychology says sometimes kindness also can be a form of manipulation depending on an individual's intent. Isolation manipulation starts when the manipulator starts to isolate you from your friends and family, start to convince you that your loved ones don't love you anymore, since the goal is usually to separate you from people who might spot the manipulation.